Welcome to this first vlog of TeaTimeTales.com. I'm Rahul Banerjee. Today, let me take you across to the JP Greens Golf Resort in Greater Noida, where we will meet Monish Bindra, who is the head coach of the JP Golf Academy and also the director of the Integrated Golf Performance Network. I put to Monish a question that has been bothering me for some time as to how does a recreational or an occasional golfer like you and me get about improving his game and rise above the everyday mistakes, errors that all of us commit all the time, yet never seem to get a handle on how to change or how to improve, how to get more consistency into our game.
Now, usually what happens is that we get out there on the weekend and we just go and play, and we are hoping for the best possible round that we can put in. But golf is a little more beyond hoping for the best, because you really can't reinvent the wheel for every single person. The game has its technicalities, and that's where coaches come into play, that's where technicians come into play, and we guys are trying to fit out the right clubs for you. We are trying to teach you the right technique. But what happens is you go out there on the weekend and you play like chasing golf. So you're hitting balls to the right, then you start trying to recorrect it and start hitting balls to the left, and this carries on, so you don't really consolidate your swing because you're only chasing results. But the game is actually more of a process based sport, where it is process followed by the outcome. So what I can suggest for weekend golfers is that you guys actually just love the sport and you want to enjoy the sport. But what you should be doing is that, like you send your car for annual maintenance, you should go to the coach for an annual maintenance and take maybe 4 lessons or 8 lessons on your long game, short game, and keep in touch with the technique, because there is no substitute to technique. Yeah, absolutely. That's where you would have heard of the terminology muscle memory, or now we even redefined it as neuromuscular memory. So that's where practice is very, very important, and you see the pros and the better players always practicing hard to reinforce their technique all the time. So you take a bunch of lessons, or you get a good tip which works for you, but you must get out to the range. So I would also suggest that before starting the round, it's a good idea to go out there and hit 30 to 50 balls, warm up, consolidate your process, and then come out on the course and play with that. Because otherwise the first 3-4 holes are sometimes just horrendous. It's actually your warm-up time, and you will end up dropping a bunch of shots, and that really puts you out of pace. Yeah, because you will you let go the first 3-4 holes, and really doesn't put your mind and your body in sync, and it's not really a good way to start the day. So you're just playing catch-up golf, you're playing catch-up handicap, you're playing catch-up golf, you're not really in a great frame of mind. So let's get the bad shots out of the way on the driving range, and then go out there and enjoy your round to the best possible of your ability.
Don't play catch-up golf from the very beginning. Spend some time at the range before you get to the course itself. Get warmed up, hit 20-30 balls. And actually it does make a difference. The last time I played, I did that, and I played a pretty good round by my standards. Today I didn't do that. I'm playing really, really, really bad golf, and I hope Manish is not around for too much longer to watch the embarrassment. Thank you, Manish, for being part of this inaugural kickoff, and we'll come back to you as and when. Hopefully do send in your questions if you have any. Do subscribe to the channel, do put in a like on the video. We'll put it up wherever we can on Facebook and other places. And Manish has got his own very interesting program which we've been talking about a little while ago, and we'll try and put you together, so like he said, get going in the right direction so you can enjoy your golf from the very beginning.